We have two new Kayali releases. Let's talk about these. I did a first impressions unboxing of this whole PR kit and the fragrances. So if you do want to check that out, YouTube Shorts, IG Reels, TikTok. And the two new releases are Sweet Peach right here and Plush Pear, also tore into this. So I did all my first impressions already. This is a full review. I've actually worn this for the past few days. Both of these fragrances every morning, one on each arm. And there are some things to point out about these. So per usual, if you like saving money in general before you get started, Fragrance Buy / Fragflex, Joma Shop, and Perfume Online, everything is listed below. Save your money, shop through those discounters, Canada, United States, and beyond for the shipping. And of course, Joma Shop, designer watches, handbags, clothing, accessories. I love that site. I buy my watches there as well. Such a good site. So let's hop in. We're going to start with Plush Pear. So this fragrance has notes of pear, mandarin, freesia, gardenia, sandalwood, and vanilla caviar. It's that typical kind of semi-opaque bottle with the notes here. So let's get into this. Pressurized sprayer, perfect. Just mint pressurized sprayer. So good. So this scent is, oh my gosh, insanely strong. Insanely strong. And it lasts 12 plus hours on skin. I was very surprised. I was not expecting that. Plush Pear, when I tested it, 12 plus hours on skin, thick, heavy. We'll get into the scent profile. And on my jacket, 3+ days on clothing. This is a beast. It doesn't smell super heavy or strong at first, but when you spray it, then you start to realize it's filling up a room. People are smelling me a few feet away. It's lasting on my skin. It's been 12 hours. I've taken a shower. It's that type of fragrance. The notes. It opens up with a fresh, almost dew-like floral. The freesia, the gardenia, I noticed that first. It's this creamy, fresh, dew-like floral. Right behind it is a juicy paracord. It's very warm, it's uplifting, it's bright. And in the base is that core kind of like creamy, sandalwood, musky DNA that Kayali does in a lot of their fragrances. I see this, girls, if you want to wear this in high school, you can get away with this. 20-year-old women, maybe you're in university or early careers, you can wear this definitely. And of course, 30s, 40s, 50s, wear whatever you'd like. Seasonally, how you can wear this, if you would want to wear this in hot weather or the summer, just tone down the sprays. Don't spray too much. This is thick, this is cloying, this is heavy. I know there's a juicy pear and a touch of mandarin, but don't spray too much. Obviously, inside in an indoor climate-controlled environment, you'll be okay. But I do think summer evenings, maybe cooler spring days, fall and winter for sure, this would be great. Situations, I wouldn't say this is a professional scent. So I don't think you should wear this for your office scent. Like a few sprays of this walking to the office, I don't advise that. Maybe one spray, sure, you'll smell nice and sweet, and it'll smell very good, but too much, maybe too much. I think of this more like just going out and about as early as, 8, 7 a.m., running errands, all the way into an evening wear. You can wear this however you'd like, but I would just say not in a professional setting. That's just my opinion. Stay away from that. Casually, running errands, day date, seeing family, evenings, you could wear it. I think for a formal event or a dinner, you could, but again, this is more playful and fun and fresh and easygoing. I don't think it's one of Kayali's more like sexier nighttime dinner date fragrances, which they have tons of. So this does fit a really nice niche of just a comfortable, sexy, easy to wear vanilla pear fragrance. Now Sweet Peach, and notes are red apple, peach, frangipani, nectarine, oak moss, and musk. There you go. Sweet Peach. And just so you know the numbers, in case you guys are wondering, Sweet Peach 35, Plush Pear 23, that just means the iterations, the different chemical iterations, the different variations, batches, chemical changes until they came up with this formula. So if it said Sweet Peach 4, that means they got it on the 4th iteration. That's what that means. Sweet Peach. So Sweet Peach is completely different than Plush Pear, in my opinion. I found this to be much fresher than Plush Pear, far less heavy vanillas. Yeah, this is like that. It reminds me of peach bellinis. Just drinking peach bellinis. I typically don't do that, but if we're out and there's ladies, they're drinking it. Smells like that. It smells like the highest quality peach. I don't know how they got it so good. Very fresh though. This is fresh. This is sexy. This is summer daytime. These two complement each other well. If you want to make this a little sweeter, layer it with this. If you want to lighten this up, layer it with this. Winter, cold weather, summer, hot weather. perfect. Could also be like peach ice cream, a peach popsicle, which isn't that popular, but you know, if it was a thing, certainly a peach mixed drink, a cocktail drink, a poolside bar, any alcoholic cocktail, summer refreshing peach drink. That's what this smells like to me. If you want to wear it in the office or professionally, maybe just one spray. I wouldn't say it's that type of fragrance. It's more a casual fragrance, you know, early in the morning, late at night, whatever you'd like, whatever you're doing, just more of a casual fragrance. This more so gives summer vibes. You could wear it in the winter or fall, but this is more like a summer vibe type of fragrance. Again, nighttime, dinner dates, formal occasions, there's more dark, sexier Kayali fragrances to pull for. This I really do think is just kind of a casual, fun summer Kayali fragrance, summer peach Kayali fragrance. And the age range again is kind of the same, right around your teens up to around your, you know, late 30s. That's kind of the age range. Wear what you'd like. That's just how I envision this fragrance, how I see it. Overall, these are two good releases. They're strong. The performance of this is also good. You have a good scent bubble. You have good longevity. It's just Plush Pear is just beast mode for whatever reason. It is certainly beast mode, but Sweet Peach is also good. Okay, so don't worry. You'll get good performance with this. They perform well. They're fun, kind of casual wearing fragrances done at a very high quality with very unique scent profiles. A lot of Kayali fragrances, they always bring great perfumers to bring great unique scent profiles. And that's why I always appreciate what they do. So feel free to check these out. Let me know your thoughts if you've tried them. Very curious. This is a good combo. And of course, you could layer this and explore different layers with tons of other perfumes, whatever you guys like. Hope you guys enjoyed the review. Let me know your thoughts down below if you've tried these, and I'll see you in the next video.